Sasha! Aloha! Pehe oi. Mekai? Ai? Aloha everyone. My name is Uluwlehi, and I've been wanting to do these little Hawaiian lessons for a while now. I keep telling myself I'm going to sit down and do it, but I don't have all the technologies or the time to do all the fancy editing. So these will be quick, short Hawaiian lesson tidbits, like catchphrases and like little, everyday things, because I feel like when you're learning a language and you're really interested in it, like you want to know how to say things that you use every day so that you can practice using them little by little, right? So I thought I'd start off with velina, or like greetings. The first one is obviously aloha, which a lot of people know in Hawaiian. If you break aloha up, it is alo, face, and ha, which is your breath. When Hawaiians used to greet, I don't know if you've seen this in New Zealand or Aotearoa, they call it hangi, and in Hawai'i they call it ha, where two people come close together and they put themselves like face to face, and they bless you, and they breathe in like as a greeting, and they share their breath. That is where that came from, the greeting, aloha. And you can say aloha e fill in the blank with someone's name. So I could say aloha e Maria, aloha e Nathan, aloha e ku'umohoa I makemake e oihana I keiamo wikio. Hello to all my friends who wanted me to make these videos. Here's me trying. So yes, aloha, hello. Another thing that you could say is ahui ho, which is goodbye. And technically it doesn't literally mean goodbye. It means until we meet again, or until we gather again. I don't actually know the historical story behind why there's no goodbye. I think goodbye, good riddance is really like a negative connotation of parting somewhat that, was developed in the English language. There's a lot of things that do not translate perfectly from Hawaiian to English, and yeah. Hey, don't bite me. Let's see, what else could I say? Those two are really common for everything. I guess in Spanish you would say ¿qué tal?, which is like what's up. So in Hawaiian you'd be like, yeah, you can't say heaha. Okay, this is failing. I'm gonna stick with that right now. Aloha and ahui ho. Try using that. Oh, I'm dumb. Time of days. So aloha kakahiaka. Aloha kakahiaka. It means good morning. Yeah? Try saying that slowly. Aloha kakahiaka. That's good morning. You can say that when you wake up to someone. You can say it to yourself in the mirror. Just practice. Another thing you could say, aloha awina la. I'll say it again. Aloha awina la. That means good afternoon, or good noontime. It's kind of around that time between like 12 and before evening, like nighttime. Awina la is, yeah, awi and okala, the time of the day where like, the sun is fading and stuff. Yeah? And I guess you can say aloha ahi ahi. Aloha ahi ahi, which means good evening. You can say that maybe like around 6-ish, 5, 6. And it's kind of, I was going to tie it into how you say dinner, but we'll save that for another time. The last one would probably be like po mai kai, which could either mean like, you could say that as like a blessing to someone, or you mean it as like a have a good night. Po, which is darkness, blackness, night. Mai kai, good. Well, yeah. So for all of you right now, I'm going to say ahui ho until the next video. I hope this was somewhat educational. You want too much aloha. Spoiled. Ahui ho, everyone.